Welcome back to my channel. If you read the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Shein fall autumn haul. Let's get into it. But before we do, this shirt that I'm wearing, Stay Spooky, this is from Shein and it's super soft. I definitely recommend you getting this. This is from the men's collection, but I think anyone can wear it. Let's get into this haul. Got pillowcases for my pillows. I don't have a lot of space in my small New York City apartment, so I had to make do with what I have. And these pillowcases from Shein, I absolutely love them. I saw them. They're little pumpkin themed, and I could wrap them up and put them away once I'm done with the season, and I could keep my pillows. That's how you save space when you're living in a small New York City apartment. Let's open it. Okay, let's see. All right, the quality is good. I don't know if you could really tell. Let's zoom it in. This is the regular orange, I believe, and this is the blood orange, the burnt orange. I'll have all the items on the screen. I'm gonna actually wash these before I put them on my pillowcases, but yeah, that looks really nice. I can't wait to put these on. Fall officially starts September 21st, I believe. So I'm super excited. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. But yeah, these feel really soft. And they have like this nice material on the back, so it's not like itchy or anything. But as always, this is from Shein, and I like to wash all my new items. A really nice find. They have a bunch of other colors if you're not into the orange theme, but I definitely love orange. So let's get into the next item. All right, the next item, and I'm sorry for the crinkly noise. Everything from Shein came packaged very well in this nice plastic packaging. I believe these are the kitchen towels I bought. Yes, they are the kitchen towels. They come in a pack. And look how pretty. It's 3 pumpkins and this plaid, gray and white plaid. I absolutely love it. I'm a millennial, so millennial gray. You already know. Oh, let's see. Okay, so this is one of them. And this is the second one. Wow. It has the word fall in cursive and this big orange in the center and the plaid material. These are gonna look great on my stove. Well, hanging from my stove. I'm really happy with this purchase. They're decorative towels to me. So I'm not actually gonna use them to wipe myself or wipe my hands, wipe anything. Maybe to grab a pan, but all in all, these are good material. They feel very soft. Again, I'm going to wash everything before I use it. I shopped around and I did not like the prices of anything, but Shein had everything for way cheaper, so I went with these particular items because I knew that I was going to get a lot of use of them. I really do try to use everything I buy from Shein multiple times, and I know that these items are going to last me for a couple of years. Let's get into the next item. The next item I got is this table runner. This is actually for my coffee table, and it's in the shape of leaves. Or it's like a laid out leaf runner. Let's open it. Ooh, it's very luminescent. It's very glossy. It feels very luxurious. Ooh, I'm obsessed. How beautiful is that? This is gorgeous, and I like them on the shorter side. I do have 2 cats that like to run around, and every time I have a runner on my coffee table that's like that hangs off the edges, it always seems to get tossed. My cats are running, they just knock everything over. So something short as like a centerpiece is gonna look great. I really like this. On to the next item. So the next 2 items are also pillowcases. I didn't know if I was gonna like the other two, and I kind of wanted options for when Halloween was over. And I believe these are the options that I have for Halloween. The pumpkins are more like a neutral, so I could use them for Thanksgiving once Halloween's over, so like in November. These are gonna be for now. And these are embroidered. I really like them. Let's open them up. Again, everything is packaged nicely. Oh my goodness, this is very high quality. This is very velvety and very luxurious feeling. It's very soft. Wow, it says Halloween. And this is for more of like a square, not a square, a rectangle pillow. Look at that. I don't know if you could see that, but it's like super shiny, it's super velvety, super nice. Let's move on to the next one. All right, the next one just has a bunch of these little ghost and witch hats and pumpkins on them and leaves. This is what joys my heart, and it's very thick and heavy. Like, what? You wouldn't think I purchased this on Shein. Like, you would think I purchased this from like Marshalls or like Home Goods or Bed Bath & Beyond. Like, this is very high quality. I can't wait to put this on my pillows. All right, the next item I believe I got was more hand towels. Yeah, I got more because I want to put some on my stove and I want to put some in my kitchen. Well, that is my kitchen, but I want to put some on my stove and I want to put some in my bathroom. And these are just plain. These are nice. I think these are like just regular fall pumpkin leaf towels, and they come in a pack of 2. The next item I got is actually for my car. I got this ghost drinking iced coffee, wearing a beanie and holding a jack-o'-lantern. And this is gonna go so cute hanging from my windshield. I don't know if the glare, let's see. Don't want to open it because I want to preserve if it comes with the smell. I want to preserve the smell for when I put it in my car. Let's move on to the next item. The next 2 items are actually for my phone. These are from Shein. They say Shein. I believe the other items were from Marketplace, but these are from the Shein Workshop, Shein brand. And let's see. I got these for my iPhone. I got this one. And then the next one is more Halloween. Again, like I want to try to separate like Halloween, the Halloween season from the fall season, kind of, sort of. They're the same in the same season, but like, you know, once the 31st hits, like all the goblin ghouls, skeletons disappear. So this one's for Halloween. This one's probably gonna go on my phone after this video. We're almost done with this haul. I have 3 items left. Let's get into it. So the next item is kind of experimental for me. These are under $5. I got these press-on nails, and they're short, so they'll look like they're my real nail. These are clear, so it's just gonna look like I'm wearing stickers on my nails. And then I got this one. I'm not gonna use all of them, but I like the decor. Not the decor, the design of some of these that are in this packet. And I'm gonna link everything on the screen, and if you want like an actual link, just comment below so I know. I'm back with the last item. The last item is this LED light that has a bat and a half moon. It came with this attachment, so it doesn't have to be plugged in. I could just put 3 batteries in here, which I already had in my fridge, and I could just flip the switch on and it'll light up. How cool! The bat is purple and the moon is pink. The bat is blue. Yeah. The blue kind of looks purple. I absolutely love this. I'm gonna hang it right there. Thank you for watching my video. Again, my name is Jay Goldfinger. I do vlogs, lifestyle, and a lot of hauls. If you enjoyed this video and you made it to the end, comment a bet so I know that you did. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.